we have to talk about hair. Hi guys, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं hair care के बारे में. I remember what had happened to my hair and I would never wish it even on my worst enemy. Before you get your hair colored, before you start using bleach, please watch this video. I was born with a great set of hair. There is a story in my family that goes on कि जब मेरा birth हुआ था and everybody came to see me for the first time. I was this kid who had like spiky hair, silky smooth, मतलब I had a lot of hair growth for a newborn baby. उसके बाद भी मेरे बाल ना ऐसे खड़े हुए थे क्योंकि छोटे थे and I had like these bulging out eyes like I do right now. But as a kid I was just like scanning the room and everything, but everybody remembers my hair when we talk of my childhood. My parents had to do what not कि वो ऐसे नीचे बैठ जाए क्योंकि वो नहीं बैठते थे. Even if like they would put oil, they would put like a little gel on my hair. Mundan is a Hindu tradition that is followed by most families, just like mine here in India. There is a footage where you can see my mom crying. She just did not want to get them cut. But we anyway did, and touch wood, I got gorgeous hair even after the mundan, and that was like, you know, a boost. मतलब वो जो बाल थे मेरे बचपन में, मैंने और मेरी कज़न ने हेयर स्प्रे करवाए थे अलग अलग रेड एंड ब्राउन कलर के, बट दैट वाज इट. मेरे बालों पे टिल माय 9th स्टैंडर्ड आई हैड वर्जिन हेयर विच बेसिकली हैड नथिंग, राइट. फिर मैंने हाईलाइट्स के ट्रेंड पे जंप करके अपने हाईलाइट्स करवाए. माय हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट वाज ओके विद दैट ओनली बिकॉज आई वाज गोइंग इन फॉर टेक्सचर्स ऑफ ब्राउन. सो ब्राउन में आपको ब्लीच की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ब्राउन्स एंड रेड्स डू नॉट रिक्वायर ब्लीच एंड माई हेयर कलर इज़ एनी वे अ वेरी लाइक यू नो डार्कर शेड ऑफ ब्राउन. वो थोड़ा मर्जिंग था और किसी को पता भी नहीं चल रहा था. दे न्यू आई हैड डन समथिंग टू माई हेयर बट दे जस्ट कुडंट मेक आउट. दैट वाज माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गेटिंग माई hair color and I should have stopped at that. उसके बाद I went in to go ahead with colors like red till जो भी मेरा स्कूल का टाइम था I was in brown and red, and as soon as I was going to college I bleached my hair. I came up with a plan wherein मैं ये वाले बालों को ब्लीच करके इन पे कलर करूँगी. We are not gonna touch the roots. We are not gonna spoil the rest of my hair. That's what we did. I went for a peacock color, like a blue and a green mix of it, an ombre. I remember that is right before going into college. So that is 2017. Blue और green के बाद जाके purple highlights कराए थे, and that also did not destroy my hair. बट जो उसके बाद मैंने किया फॉर एन एक्सपेरिमेंट, आई गॉट माई हेयर कलर लाइक फ्रॉम द रूट, फ्रॉम द टिप, यहाँ से बिल्कुल लाइक ऑल ऑफ माई हेयर वॉज कलर्ड, नथिंग वॉज लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. मेरे हेयर में ना एक प्रॉब्लम है कि ये स्टाइल नहीं होते हैं. लाइक इवन इफ़ यू गो फॉर कर्ल्स वो 10-15 मिनट में अपने आप खुल जाएंगे. सो आई डोंट वेस्ट एनी मोर टाइम डूइंग इट. आई हैव नेवर गिवन लाइक माई हेयर सो मच टाइम बिकॉज with heavy hair you have to keep closing opening. It's a task. जो इतना excessive heat एक ही दिन में था ये. This happened within 12 hours. We styled my hair about 3 times. Even though bleach नहीं use हुआ था, but though like the color touched the tip of my root, like the growth here, वो मेरे पूरे बाल खराब हो गए. I had to wait out for it to grow out. उस चीज़ में like I'm still like a little woke. I think I have some of the damaged here on the bottom, very less, but yeah, like some are still here. But for 4 years because of that incident मैंने अपने हेयर कलर करवाना बंद कर दिया. मैंने 4 साल के लिए अपने बालों को बस छोड़ दिया. वो इतनी गंदी कंडीशन में थे, इसको ऐसे ना कंघी भी नहीं करनी पड़ती थी. एक टाइम ऐसा था कि even if like I would run my hair right now, it gets stuck. एक टाइम पे वो भी नहीं करता था. Like I would just run through my hair so good and everything. There are like stupid experiments that I've done alongside this, but that did not really deteriorate my hair health. That was more like I got a haircut done by a friend who claimed to know how to do haircuts. 4 साल के लिए मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. The only things that I have done is oiling. There is serum and there is a switch of shampoos. I have like escalated my hair care routine in a very different way. First 1.5 year I was using my favorite hair care brand, that's Garnier. And the bottle वो जो green color में आती है ना, that is like my absolute favorite. मुझे उसका conditioner अभी नहीं चाहिए, but वो shampoo, God, that was my staple since probably 4th standard. Like I've used that shampoo so much, but recently I've made a shift of my shampoos and I've shifted to herbal essence. This one is the coconut milk hydration shampoo and this is the conditioner for the same. They come in a pair and usually there's like a third one because shampoos generally take like a lot of quantity when you're washing your hair as compared to a conditioner. This might take you like 2 bottles of the shampoo to finish, 2 or even 3. That's how the combos come on a Nykaa. This was introduced to me by one of my relatives flying in from Canada. Because I was desperately finding a new shampoo. Garnier was so tough to find. जब मुझे ये मिला, I was so happy. This has intense hydration and moisturizing. These have 0% colorants or gluten ingredients in it. The ingredients involve water, sodium, and I don't know what all that is, but this retails for $659 for this bottle alone, but like the combination comes like much lesser when you buy it together. The difference that I made in my shampoo routine was basically, first I would shampoo like just the shampoo and I would wash it off. I would go in for a second round. मैं दूसरी बार अपने बाल दूंगी और पहले I'll apply the conditioner to the bottom of my hair, like to all of this, and then I would take a much, like you know, पहले जो quantity लिया था उसका आधा quantity लेकर I would do a run on the scalp again with the shampoo. The double cleansing makes it so much satisfying when you come out of the shower because उसके बाद ना actually में लगता है कि बाल साफ हो गए हैं. My hair catch a lot of dirt, a lot of pollution. So मेरे लिए ये हेयर वॉश अगर मैं ना करूँ टाइम पे तो मेरा सर दर्द होएगा. It takes a lot of time for it to dry out and इसमें पसीना भी बहुत आता है. So I'm like kind of in a mess when it's summers because I really don't know what to do. This brand Herbal Essence has not only changed shampoos and the hair health for me, but also for my sister, for my mother, my cousin and my aunt also are using the same shampoo now that you know I've raved about it so much. Everybody is loving it actually. Like no, I've not heard anybody complaining about these as such, not within my social circle or on the social media. I also started adding a serum to my everyday routine when it comes to hair. This is from L'Oreal and this is actually the bottle I stole from my sister right now because mine has currently finished and I need to order another one. My sister and I love this serum so much. This is like probably the 3rd bottle in the house. Color is so cute and the packaging is also cute. They have this stopper kind of thing that doesn't allow anybody to like use the product or you know allow any spillage if you are packing it somewhere. You have to twist it on your left. Now the pump is available to use like that, and one pump of it is also a lot. I did not use it with my last wash, so might as well use it right now. I think this saves like a lot of natural damage to my hair. I do not encourage procedures like keratin, straightening, smoothing. It's a no from me. There is never going to be a day that I'm going to say that oh yeah I'm gonna go and get that done, because no. मेरे एक बार वो बाल चले गए ना, उसके बाद मेरे को पता है कि कितना दर्द हुआ है मुझे. when everybody would ask oh Mahima what's wrong with your hair, मेरे पास आंसर नहीं था. I was like really embarrassed of what I had done to myself एंड मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम लगा है ये वापस ग्रो करने में. आई हैव नो प्लान्स ऑफ like coloring my hair ever again. Maybe just like a brown, like a very slightly different shade of brown than from a natural one. But I'm never going for bleach. Bleach completely destroys your hair. यहाँ पे करो तो at least you can chop them off, right? But if you do it from your top, it is something that you cannot come back from. And ये 4 साल की भी patience इसलिए थी क्योंकि COVID हुआ था and I was home. My college had ended, my job was work from home. तो घर पे रह कर I started, you know, oiling my hair very frequently, at least once a week. Back in COVID, I was doing it once a week, but now since normal day life has resumed and it's been some time, I go like once a month. I get a deep hot oil champy and then I'll get a hair wash. I'll just get it normally dried. I will never go for a blow dry also. That spoils your hair so much. Nope. There is nothing else that I did. I just had to, you know, keep that sort of patience in me कि महिमा रुको, wait करो, ये वापस आएगा, ये वापस आएगा. I would tell myself every day कि soon I'm gonna have like my best hair ever. And now I can say that I do have a good set of hair on my head, but it's still a lot of maintenance to keep it this way, and hair care is equally important just as skincare and makeup. That is all for today. I have spilled my personal experience with coloring, with bleach, and I hope this makes a difference. I really hope I was of some help. This video was in some form of entertainment or education to you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye!